Hi there, my name is Jordy from Cinecom, and recently I've collaborated with Adobe for the second time on a new short film called Backup Restore, which is inspired by the new Terminator film Dark Fate. And with every fictional film, color correction is an essential process to give your film that cinematic look. And that's what I want to do in this tutorial today, color correction, but more specific, I want to focus on creating a cinematic contrast. Now we are going to use Lumetri for that. Lumetri is the built-in tool which you can find from the window menu on top, and then Lumetri Color. Now from the first step, we have a bunch of color controls to change the exposure levels of our shot. In our example, the clip is a little bit underexposed, so what I'm going to do is increase the exposure. However, the highlights such as the sky should always remain its detail. Now, one of the key elements about good color correction is never to over or underexpose areas. So what I'll do is decrease the highlights to fix that issue. The same thing goes for my shadows. If needed, I increase the shadows to bring back the detail in there. Now, the actions that we've just done have taken the most detail, or in better words, dynamic range out of the shot. And this, however, makes it pretty flat. So what we're going to do is bring back the contrast now. You could start off with the normal contrast slider, but be careful as that pulls on your entire range. To get deeper black specifically, you can also decrease the black slider. But again, make sure not to underexpose. For the absolute whites, you can do the same. Increase that to introduce the contrast back. And as you can see, we've made our shot a whole lot better with this custom contrast technique. I really hope that you've learned something new today, and if you would like to see more tutorials from my short film Backup Restore, then definitely make sure to check the playlist in the description below. Thank you so much for watching, and stay creative.